welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And today I will be doing a reaction to the official teaser of the Malayalam film Minnal Murali. Now this movie is getting dubbed in a lot of languages, so I am going to be reacting to the Hindi official teaser, which is called Mr. Murali. Now this stars Tovino. I am really excited to react to this teaser because this is a superhero film. So yes, I just want to see what this movie is about, and let's just get into the teaser now. Okay. Wow. Okay, and play. Yes, I'm using headphones.
डोंगरगढ़ स्कूल के वर्षगांठ समारोह के दिन आतंक फैला के और साथ में पुलिस पर हमला करके डोंगरगढ़ सहकारी बैंक का सारा पैसा लूट के खुद को मिस्टर मुरली घोषित करने वाले चोर के बारे में कोई भी विवरण पता चले तो तुरंत पुलिस स्टेशन में सूचना देने की मांग करते हैं।
ये क्या हुआ? सुनामी आया क्या?
Oh wow! Oh wow! He looks great. He looks great. That scene. Okay, wait. That scene where he flicked the tiffin box, sort of reminded me of the first Spider-Man where MJ is falling in the cafeteria and he just, Tobey Maguire just, comes into the help and catches everything. Sort of reminded me of that. Okay, wow. So that was the teaser. Looks amazing. Now, why am I so excited for this particularly? Because this genre, the superhero genre in our country, is really not explored much. Sadly, I am a huge superhero nerd, and it pains me to even see that that this genre is not explored at all in our film industry, because if you see, there is an audience for this kind of movies. I mean, the proof is the box office collections when Avengers Endgame had released. So there is a particular audience who will flock to the theaters to watch a superhero flick. Sadly, I feel, and this is my personal opinion, that the Indian audiences have lost faith that the filmmakers can pursue this genre properly. And why I say this, because if you see the history of the superhero films that has been produced, and I'm specifically here talking about Bollywood only, because that is what my reference is and what I have watched in the past. If you see Krish, something like Krish, at that time when it released, yeah, it was good, but for a superhero nerd, that movie is subpar. It is not doing anything for a superhero fan like me. It was probably just okay. Then something like Flying Jut. That was the most idiotic movie ever made. Now, personally for me, there are two films in this genre which I had sort of liked, because one is the Bhavesh Joshi superhero, and the second is Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota. These were the two films which I found quite decent, but they didn't do really well at the box office for some reason. I particularly found them quite good, and because they had a lot of content and story, there was a proper arc for the hero. It was realistic, it was not over the top, and there was a proper antagonist. So those two movies I found quite good. This looks great. I think this has a more comical feel to it, because and it will be, because here I'm feeling that with the official trailer will obviously drop after some time, but with the teaser what I'm getting the feeling is that this is based in a small town or small area. It's not like this guy is based on a big city. And Tovino probably doesn't know that he has maybe some powers or something, because that is usually what a superhero arc usually is, that you somehow get powers, and his powers are super speed, what I'm thinking, like Flash, and super strength also. So he seems to be having really good reflexes. So I really don't know exactly what his superpower is, but I feel that he is as a savior of the poor. That is what I got the feeling of from the teaser first look, that he stole the money from there, and he's probably a savior for the poor, like Robin Hood, maybe. Tovino looks great. It looks like a funny film to me. With obviously it'll take a serious tone when there is an antagonist, but overall I'm feeling that when his arc is getting developed, when he's trying to figure out his powers and all, those scenes are going to be pretty funny and fun to watch. And I really hope, with a superhero film, I personally have a lot of hopes, and because this looks also great with the teaser only, I feel it looks great. I have a lot of hope that this will be a very, very content driven, nice, fun, entertaining watch, and I'm glad they're releasing this in so many languages. I'm really, really glad. Probably, I don't know, I probably would end up watching the maybe the Malayalam movie, but that depends. If I am guessing, at least in Mumbai, they are going to release in most of the theaters, this will be released in Hindi only. So I'll see, I'll search for it, because I generally prefer the original voice than voiceovers. And I hope we get a good superhero fun watch with this film, because we as an audience, if you see, there are so many Marvel and DC fans. I love both the characters, both Marvel characters and DC characters, though in terms of film I'm more inclined towards the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And if you think, I mean, this is something for people who have read something like Raj comics. We can make our own superhero cinematic universe. I don't know why filmmakers have not explored that. I mean, for those who have read Raj comics during their childhood, we have such great characters at par with Iron Man and whatever, Captain America. We have characters like, I can remember, Nagraj, Bhokal, Parmanu. These are the characters, and these are really great developed characters in Raj comics, and they have their own cinematic sorry, not cinematic, they have their own universe, like how Avengers is and how Justice League is. So I hope, I don't know if this is like going to be a one-time thing, or they are going to develop this like they did with Krish, Koi Mil Gaya, Krish 2 and all. So I am waiting for this. Do we have a release date? I don't think we do. It's just the official teaser, so they are not going to release any information. No, they just have shown the credits. So yes, that was my 2 cents and my feelings on superhero films. Tovino, I hope this works. And why I'm saying this, I am getting a feeling that this would work because it is coming from Malayalam movie industry, and I know how much they think of content and how much they are content driven, and they think about the audience. They know that audience is intelligent. So I am really, really hopeful that this is going to be a very fun yet content driven film. So yes guys, that was my reaction to the official teaser of Mr. Murli in Hindi, Minnal Murli in Malayalam. But I am really excited for the official trailer to drop for this film. So I hope you have come till the end of the video, and I hope you like the reaction guys. If you have, thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.